Did you hear from Monica? Somebody wants this plate, and I told her you might know where the art was.
She wants it?
Well, no, it's different.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's pretty funny.
She doesn't seem to mind all that much.
Well, good, because I wanted Mojo to be able to ride on her when they get older.
This is good training. Uh-oh. Oh, you fucking Bronco. You gotta shake that bear off your back. Get that bear off your back. Get that bear off your back.
Yay!
What's Retardo Montalban?